of our prayers. We want to taste the bliss of being Radha's maidservant. Verse 17, this is Mahanidhi Chandas. Like many of the Goswami Ashtakams and prayers are Mahanidhi. Verse 17. Where's Haridas? You know, Haridas tell the guy 3 to 4 note. Generator, next door generator. He's out there. Tell him it's for 1 month, Next door neighbor has a carpentry factory. Residential neighborhood. 1 o'clock in the morning he's cutting wood, He steals electricity. Most edit that. Ati Sulita Laksha Shishta Sobhagya Mudra Tativirari Adika Tushya Chinnati Kritya Bahu Nakadalita Haridra Garva Gori Priyame Charna Kamala Sevamha Kada Dasyasi Tvam. Is all Haridas?
Yes.
Well, let's see if there's any response.
He went.
Okay. Translation, text 17. Vilakusmanjali. O Radha, your golden complexion defeats the pride of the color of a turmeric root, haldi mole, I guess. Haldi mole. Haldi, haldi?
Haldi.
The haldi mole, root,
Yes.
kacha haldi. Your golden complexion defeats the pride of the color of a turmeric root scratched by a fingernail. Turmeric, raw turmeric looks like ginger, ginger. But ginger has a brown, light tan skin on the outside. Same with haldi. But you scratch the ginger, it's just, white and pale yellow inside. But you scratch the haldi, it's orange. It's more like orange. It's orange, golden orange like that. So somehow he's saying like that. That's what he's saying. It's more, her golden hue is that kind of golden, more golden than that. That's a comparison. Radharani, when will you, out of great satisfaction, will you mark my arms with your emblems of good fortune that are anointed with your very lovely footlack? Bestow the service of those feet on me. It's a very roundabout way of saying things, but it's because the Sanskrit is long verse, modifying words. But basically, we'll hear the lila, I guess, tomorrow or maybe today. But he's praying. He says, you have such a golden complexion, and your feet have this red color on the bottom, red alta color, and in some particular circumstance, Radharani kicks her manjari, so that gets the sobhagya mudra. Mudra means like symbols, mudras is that. So it means symbols, marks or symbols. Sobhagya means auspicious, because on Radharani's feet there's 19 marks on her feet. There's 8 marks on Radharani's right foot and 11 marks on her left foot. 19. So he's praying to get marked. Like, you get a visa stamp, they have a stamp, okay, visa, and they take your passport. 1 year entry visa, India, like that. So the manjari wants to get stamped. On her arm, it says on my arm, stamp her feet and arm. So the Tika, Das Goswami says, let the whole world know that I have no one else but you. In other words, if he has Radharani's footprints on his arm, like a tattoo or something, the people wear a tattoo, I love mom or something, old days, Now they have all kinds of wild tattoos and stuff. So they're giving some message there, sometimes some words or Nrsimhade or whatever, Jai Radhe or whatever. That's a message, it's a mark, identification. So he says, let the whole world know, I have no one else but you. That's why the Babajis, or anyone can do, the Babajis, they often mark the name, they write with tilak, they put their tilak on, they write on their chest, in Bengali, or mostly Bengali, Hindi, Jai Radhe, or Radhe Sham, or Shri Radhe, like that. I belong, I'm property of Radharani. My body, mind, words, I belong to Radharani. Man, Tan, Dan, Radha Samarpan. My wealth, my life, my mind, everything is for worshiping Radharani. So he says, everyone, when the whole world will know that I have no one else for you. Everyone should understand that this Tulsi Manjari is Radharani's maidservant. Tavevasmi, Tavevasmi. I am yours, I am yours. I want to be your marked maidservant. That was nice. There's a